Hey, everybody. Have you received feedback in the past that you're needy? Are you made to feel like you're asking for too much? Well, it's not needy to want your needs to be met in a relationship. The key is to ensure your spouse's needs are met as well. So, how can you make sure needs are met in a relationship? Well, communication, compromise is essential. Express your needs clearly in a conversation and listen to your spouse's needs as well. Sometimes your needs will conflict with one another and will require you both to communicate and come to a compromise together. And I invite you to attend our Creating Connection workshop, where we'll offer you research based tools on how to communicate your needs. With the help of me and my PAX staff and team, this workshop will help you and your spouse communicate more effectively and deepen your connection through interactive exercises and techniques backed by science. Give us a call and join our Creating Connection workshop. 337 993 1960.